Hello friends, today we are going to see the chapter number 7, that is energy flow in an ecosystem. परिसंस्थेतील ऊर्जा प्रवाह. What is ecosystem? You have a question. What is ecosystem? Around you there are two types of factors: biotic factors and abiotic factors. All the organisms include in abiotic factors, and all types of nutrients, substances, then temperature, light, humidity, water vapor include in the abiotic factors, and there is a continuous interaction take place between biotic factors and abiotic factors. Now, what is ecosystem? Try to understand. Biotic factors and abiotic factors and their mutual interactions form an ecosystem. परिसंस्था म्हणजे जैविक घटक आणि अजैविक घटक व त्यांच्यामधील होणाऱ्या अन्योन्य क्रिया मिळून परिसंस्था तयार होते. हाऊ मेनी टाइप्स ऑफ इकोसिस्टम्स? देर आर टू टाइप्स ऑफ इकोसिस्टम्स. फर्स्ट aquatic ecosystem and second one terrestrial ecosystem. परिसंस्था या दोन प्रकारच्या आहेत. एक जलीय परिसंस्था आणि दुसरी म्हणजे भूपरिसंस्था. नाउ वी just remind what we learned in a previous chapter. In a previous chapter we learned about classification of organisms, means producers, consumers, decomposer, like this. Now before start actually the energy flow in an ecosystem, we just consider the various trophic level in the nature. Which are the trophic level? There are 4 trophic level here. First one, primary consumers. The organisms which feed upon the leaf of plants, means which depend on the plants, that type of organisms called as primary consumer. प्राथमिक भक्षक की जे वनस्पतींवर जगतात. फॉर एक्झाम्पल ग्रासहॉपर. Grasshopper is a primary consumer. All the animals, organisms, those are depend on plants for their food. Those feed upon the plants called as a primary consumer. Now, next topic level is secondary consumer, द्वितीय भक्षक. Here the organisms which feed on primary consumers, means primary consumers feed upon the plants but become a prey for the next trophic level, and that next trophic level is a secondary consumer. Here, for example, is a secondary consumer. In the rainy season, near your house, below the electricity pole, just you observe yourself. Frog try to catch their prey, that is insects. Insects, that is a food of frog. That is why frog is a secondary consumer. The next trophic level is apex or top consumers. Listen. Here, the organisms or animals which feed on only the secondary consumers, that is called apex or top consumers. सर्वोच्च भक्षक की जे द्वितीय भक्षकांना खाऊन जगतात. Here, for example, lion. These apex or top consumers feed on secondary consumers, but no animals feed on top consumers. That is the main difference here. Tiger, lion, these are the top consumers. These are the examples of top consumers. And the last trophic level is omnivores. Omnivores, sarvahari prani. The organisms of the animals which feed on primary consumers also, secondary consumers also, are called as omnivores. Here, human being is an example of omnivores. Primary consumers called as a herbivores, shakahari prani. Secondary consumers are called carnivores, mausahari prani. Next topic level, apex or top consumers, also carnivores, सर्वोच्च भक्षक प्राणी. Omnivores, these are called, omnivores means sarvahari. These trophic levels we just try to understand. Okay, now we start the food chain. Food chain, in every ecosystem, the interactions between producers, consumers and saprophyte goes on continuously. But these interactions follow a definite sequence that is called food chain. I repeat again, in the ecosystem, interactions goes on continuously between producer, consumer and saprophytes. But these interactions follows a definite sequence, and that is called food chain. For example, we just see here a food chain. Needle grass. Grass producer from the sun, taking sunlight and prepare their own food. Grasshopper taking grass as a food. That is why grasshopper is now primary consumer. These are producers. Grasshopper prey for the frog. Now, frog is a secondary consumer. Frog is a secondary consumer. Feed upon grasshopper. Frog is a prey for snake. Snake is a tertiary consumer. And lastly, snake is also prey of hawk. Top consumer. There are more than 2 links present here. Now, listen carefully. Each food chain starts from the producer only. Food chain consists of 2, 3, 4 and more links. For the example, we just take one type of food chain. In ecosystem, so many food chains are present, and all these food chains link each other, forming a food web. That food web means annajala. So many food chains link to each other or interconnected, forming a food web. Now, what is the characteristics of food web? Food web consists of so many food chains. All the food chains start from the producer only. Food chains consist of varieties number of links, and in the food web, lastly, all organisms which are survive after the death decay by the saprophytes only. In this way, we discuss about the food chain and food web. At your home, you just try to make a food chain, small food chains in your book. Again, in your book, you have so many pictures of the organisms. In your notebook, you just write name of that pictures, name of that organisms, and try to draw the food web. Okay? Again, one point is here. Frog depend on grasshopper for the food, but being a food of snake means organism use other organism as a food, variety of organism as a food, but being a food for variety of organism also. Here, a stroke of Sanskrita, that is Geo जीवस्य जीवनम म्हणजे जगा आणि जगू द्या. आपण अन्न घ्या आणि स्वतः दुसऱ्याचे अन्न व्हा. या क्रमाने या फूड चेनमध्ये आपल्याला अन्न हस्तांतरित होताना दिसते. नाउ in your book on page number 82 you have 3 questions. There are 3 questions. You discuss your friends and with your teacher and try to answer that particular question. Thank you.